Hello students, welcome to my channel Vidyakram. Here you can get guidance to develop your language skill. Please like, share and comment after watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start how to get a proficiency on writing. It is standing line. Standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line, big standing line. Now next one is upstroke. Upstroke, or it is called slanting line. Upstroke means going up. Upstroke means going up. Slanting line or upstroke, it is big one. Upstroke, upstroke. Now slanting line but coming down. Downstroke, 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 downstroke. Downstroke means coming down, but in a proper way. Coming down. Now slipping line, slipping line, slipping line, slipping line, slipping line, slipping. But draw properly. It is slipping line. Now overturn, 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 going up, turning down. Big one. Now underturn, underturn, underturn. Draw properly. Now big one. Now half circle. Turning at the right side. Half circle. Half circle. Half circle. Turning at the right side. Big one. Big one. Again half circle but from the left side. Half circle. Half circle. Half circle. Turning at the left side. Turning at the left side. Now big one. Now oval shape. Shape of the eggs. You know the eggs? That shape it is. Oval shape. You know the eggs? That shape it is. Oval shape. Oval shape. Oval shape. It is a big one. Now circle. 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 Now big one. Practice makes the man perfect. If you practice all these strokes properly, you will have command on cursive writing very easily. Let's see the letters. We'll start with small letters. C. A. How to write it is first slanting line, coming down, making circle, little bit curve. A. Slanting line, making circle, little bit curve. Slanting line, making circle, little bit curve. Slanting line, making circle, little bit curve. It is A. Now B. Slanting line but big. Standing line now. Going out. Slanting line, standing line. Big slanting line, then standing line. Half circle going out. Slanting line, standing line. Half circle going out. Standing line, slanting line, standing line, half circle going out. Slanting line, standing line, half circle going out. Slanting line, standing line, half circle going out. Now C. Slanting line, making left circle, half circle. Slanting line, making left half circle. C. As usual we write it is with slanting lines. C. C. Slanting line, half circle. Slanting line, half circle. It is called C. Now B. First take C, then make a D. First take C, then make a D. Slanting line, make C, then make D. C after D. Very easy. Now E. 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 We will see now F. Slanting line, standing line, come till the end of the line, and then turn F. Slanting line, standing line, come till end of the line, then go up F. Slanting line, standing line, शेवटच्या ओळीपर्यंत या, परत वर जा, बाहेर या. Slanting line, standing line, go up. Slanting line, standing line, go up. Now G. Slanting line, making circle, going up. Slanting line, making circle, going up. G. Now H. Slanting line, standing line, upper turn, little bit turn. Slanting line, standing line, upper turn, little curve. H. Slanting line, standing line, upper turn, little curve. Slanting line, standing line, upper turn, little curve. Slanting line, standing line, upper turn, little curve. H. Now I. Very easy. I. 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 J. Slanting line coming down. J. Slanting line coming down. J. 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 Now K. Slanting line, standing line. K. Slanting line, standing line. K. Slanting line, standing line, making curve, going out. K. Now L. L. Slanting line, standing line, going up. Slanting line, standing line, little bit up. L. 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 Now M. Slanting line, up button, curve. M. M. Now N. Slanting line, N. Slanting line, N. Now O. Slanting line, making oval shape, going out. Slanting line, making oval shape, going out. O. Now P. 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 Q. Q. R. See, slanting line is first there. R. R. S. Slanting line. S. Slanting line, making look. S. Then T. Making L and giving slipping line. Making L, giving slipping line. It is a T. U, slanting line making U coming out. U, slanting line, U, little bit curve. U, then V, slanting line making V going out. 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 W, slanting line making double V means W. Slanting line making double V means W. W, X, slanting line X. See it properly. Y, slanting line Y. 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 Z, slanting line making curve going out. Slanting line making big curve going out. Slanting line making big curve going out. Slanting line making big round going out. So we have just seen how to write small letter in cursive writing.